In this video, we're going to introduce BONSAI BIM, which was previously called Blender BIM, formerly Blender BIM. And now it's called BONSAI BIM, and it has its own website here. So you can access the website, which is bonsaibim.org, or you can go and search for Blender BIM, and it's gonna give you this result. Now we did another Blender BIM video guide previously in the channel in a Blender course, and so now we're gonna explore this new tool. And the other way we can get Bonsai BIM for Blender is to go into the Blender extensions. So this is the site that is going to give you some, it's going to show you some screenshots and give you some information. It's going to pinpoint here the features. So basically, building information modeling, or BIM, is for managing complex projects for architecture, and also creates MEP systems, and you can create scheduling, and you can have analysis tools and management tools and much more, and drawing tools as well. So it's to show, visualize, represent, but also manage and basically take care of every aspect of a architectural project. So this is why it's so important nowadays to know one building information modeling tool, at least one. So we created other video guides for building information modeling, and you can search for them in the channel. And we're going to create more videos also about this. So here in the next page is the download page, is where you can download it. This works for Linux, for Mac, for Windows. And of course, you need to download Blender first. So if you don't have, never use Blender, probably want to check the Blender video course first. And if you never install it, just go here, blender.org, and install Blender right away. So again, this is for Mac, for Linux, and for Windows. So you can use it in any operative system. Okay, so once you downloaded Blender, you can proceed with the installation of Bonsai. And there are 3 ways you can do it. And I'm going to show you all of them, so you can pick the one that you prefer. You either download it and install it manually, or you can go in the extension here, and you have this drag and drop button, so you can drag and drop it into Blender. So you can get it from the extension site or from the Bonsai site, or you can actually download it like you usually download Blender. So right now I'm just downloading the latest version of Blender, which is now 5.0.1. And so this should work, and should also work for the next one. And if some of these doesn't work for you, try with the next one. So the first one I'm going to do is the easiest one, which is dragging and dropping. So I drag and drop from the site into the Blender interface, and there, I'm just going to drop it there, and this should install the add-on. Just say OK, and also you can enable it right away, or you can keep it disabled. The other way is to go to the Edit menu on the top right and go into the Preferences. And into the Preferences, you can go in the Get Extension section, and here you can type in the search bar Bonsai, and you should see it right here, because this is a, let's say, official add-on for Blender. And you can click on the Install button there, and that should do the trick. So within seconds, you should see it. Now, the third option, which is the manual installation, and again, it's in the side here of the extension. You can go here and download, and then do the manual install from disk. So again, go back to the Edit and Preferences, and this time we're going to go in the add-ons. So here you can check, first of all, if it's installed, or you can click on the little arrow on the right side here on the top and click on Install from disk, and just select the zipped file that you downloaded from the site, and then install it. Now, within, again, seconds, minutes, it's a bit heavy, so give it a little bit of time to install, but now you can see that it's on, and we can also turn it off or on. You can see that it's on because we have that toolbar on the left side of the viewport, and that's showing us that we successfully installed Bonsai add-on. So you can see also for turning it on, it takes a few seconds because it's a little bit heavy. And here we have then other information. But this will be all for this video. And if you liked it, if you want to know more, subscribe to your channel to stay updated for more videos about Blender and about Bonsai and many other courses and video guides that we publish. And also, if you want to support us, join the channel as a supporter and also support the other developers for Blender and Bonsai.